Welcome to day 3 of our 21-day meditation journey. Today's theme is letting go, a practice of softening our grip on what we cannot control. In yogic philosophy, this is known as Aparigraha, the art of non-attachment. It teaches us that peace begins the moment we stop clinging to thoughts, to outcomes, to the past. So today we breathe, we soften, and we make space for release. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. And a long, slow exhale. As you settle in, feel the ground beneath you supporting your weight, your connection to the earth. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Letting your body relax a little more with each breath. Bring your awareness to your breath, gentle rhythm of inhale and exhale. Notice how every inhale invites energy in, prana, life force. And every exhale, let something go. Let the exhale become your teacher, showing you the beauty of release. With each out breath, imagine letting go of what feels heavy. Overthinking, expectations, self-judgment. Let it all go. You don't need to force it. Just allow it. Inhale, creating space. Exhale, softening, releasing, and surrendering. Imagine standing beside a flowing river. Each time a thought, worry, or emotion arises, visualize placing it gently in the water and watching it drift downstream. The river carries everything away with ease. There's no struggle, only flow. Notice how light your body feels now. You are emptying out to make space for new energy, new beginnings, new peace. Inhale, receive what you need. Exhale, release what you don't. Inhale, receiving what you need. Exhale, releasing what you don't. Continue to breathe in this flow of receiving what you need and releasing what no longer serves you. Gently bring your awareness back into the room, into your body, wiggling your fingers and your toes, taking a deep breath in and feeling gratitude for yourself, for showing up, for allowing release. You've just completed day 3, letting go. Remember, letting go doesn't mean losing, it means trusting. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.